not coming next year. Not coming. This is the hardest race I have ever been to. No more running next year. One more year of Everest Marathon. This is my second time here. Last year I only did 36, 39K, I don't remember. But I was not running the full marathon. This year I'm gonna do it, the highest marathon in the world. Chomolungma is the world's tallest peak and also known as Mount Everest. The Everest Marathon is the highest marathon in the world. It's held on 29th May each year to commemorate the first time of human being summited the mountain in 1953. Runners start together at Kathmandu, fly to Lukla, and then take on the classic EBC trekking for acclimatization before starting the marathon at base camp. Yeah, getting ready for the group photo for the Everest Marathon. Alright, 5 o'clock in the morning at Kathmandu domestic airport. I'm flying to Lukla to start hiking on EBC to the Everest base camp. That's the important way to acclimatization for the Everest Marathon.
Dominance of
Second day at Hotel Shapa Patin. So we rest very well. Today we're gonna hike for 15 kilometers and go up to Namche, which is gonna be 3,600 meters above sea level. Let's go. I'm on the Hillary Bridge. If you're scared of heights, this is not safe, but I really enjoyed it. Look at the view. Fantastic. I just go ahead. Beautiful place. Behind me, this is the gate of Namche, the capital of Sherpa people. We're gonna have a day rest and adjust everything. 21st of May, we left Namche. Look at the view behind us. It's a very steep hike from the beginning. Namche is at the bottom. All the snow mountains are clear. Lucky me. But the weather on EBC can change in no time. On the way to base camp, it's kind of snowing plus raining. The view is stunning at this pass. Not sure if you can see the yaks passing me. It's snowing heavily and the mountains are there. Behind me there's a Kunbu Glacier. I don't know if you can see it from the far end. The white part, that's the Everest base camp where the marathon gonna start in a couple of days. Last stretch from Girlship to base camp where the Everest Marathon starts. The hardest marathon in the world, I guess. Resting here at the base camp, we prepared for the start mentally and physically. Here I'm with my Nepalese photographer friends, Ayush, at the start line of Everest Marathon 2026. He will be everywhere taking picture, and I will carry my camera equipment and finish my very first marathon. Woohoo! very snowy condition. Let me start slowly. I see Mount Everest a little bit earlier, but let me show you the road. It's like this. It's quite slippery. I don't want to fall badly or whatever. I just go slowly. Here is girl ship, the first stop. This is just a water station. Namaste. As you can see, some juice and the water. Morning. Namche, 9.4 kilometers. That's a quarter, yeah? Tukla, 4,620 meters above sea level. Here's the checkpoint. So after Tukla, we need to do a river crossing and go higher. Time to get to jail for the climb. Still can see my friend Ayush down there. Quite cool. Well done.
Good job.
Keep going, yeah?
Keep going that way.
This is the halfway line. Big bloop. Hi guys. Well, it just past midday. Give you some update. You can see the wind is strong, plus a bit of a rain. I'm out of energy. I don't want to film either. So tired. Namche Monastery, 32.6k. After this, less than 10k left. I'm exhausted. Well, we can see Namche is right there, but there's no bridge. I have to go down to the bottom and climb up. Tired.
37.6.
How much left?
37, 38. What do you put? 5 kilometers left.
Less than 5, let's see. This is the hardest race I have ever been to. No more running next
right now.
year.
Let's see how much time we need for the last 5 kilometers.
Not coming next year. Not coming. He can see the finish line there. Should be less than 2k. Right now my brain is totally empty. I just want to cross the line. Oh, this is so tough. For my first ever marathon, yeah, it's not very fast, but it's a good experience. I'm not sure I'm gonna do it next year, but if you like our show, please like and subscribe on Zhuangfeng on YouTube and Facebook, or follow us on zhuangfeng.com. For now, this is Jack. Bye bye.